Then only I take.
After the Tiruvaradanam.
Only
Acharya,
then.
last time when we were here, you gave a beautiful discourse on the word Govinda. But that time then nobody recorded it. And I would really like if you could repeat it,
No problem.
Govinda. Meaning for Govinda.
the meaning of
There are a lot of meanings.
Govinda has got 12 interpretations. I will explain one or two.
Yes.
What is Govinda means? Go means cattle, cows. Then who is the lord of cows? Lord Krishna. So the first name for Lord Krishna is not Krishna Govinda. Then number two is, who is Govinda? Go means land. Who is ruling the world? Lord Krishna. Understand this? So he is having control all over the world. That is why he is called Govinda. Then
Dasavadharma.
third is most important. Because everywhere you go, you can meet only Govinda. Why? All people like whom? Lord Krishna. Which implies that same thing that does not apply in the other cases. For example, take Vamana. How many people want him? Very few. Then Trivikrama. Do you have belief in Trivikrama? No, because he said, give me land 3 feet. But when he started measuring it, first, then 2, there is 3, third foot. So he was changed, his body changed, understand it. So we have more faith in Lord Krishna and then only Rama. Why? Because Rama is the only person who will do what he says. But Krishna is not like that. He will do anything we want. Anything we want, he will do it. So attached to the devotees, not only devotees, even animals, cattle wealth. His only wealth was cattle wealth, understand it. That is why everywhere you go, all people like only whom? Govinda. So Govinda means originally is attached to the cattle wealth, understand it. Which means even animals also like him. Not only human beings, even animals also like him. And so he is called Govinda. Then another important meaning of Govinda is, Govinda is the only person ruling the whole world. Even Germany or America, whatever it is, wherever you are, but who is the presiding deity? Lord Krishna. Because he said, when he was born, people thought only Kausalya. Is it Kausalya? No.
Yashoda.
Rukmani.
Yashoda.
Yashoda. Thought her son. But he said, no, I belong to all people in the world. That is Krishna. So, Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dukkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. Which means he is getting rebirth in every yuga. Understand? For what? For keeping all people in good health and good wealth. That is why he is coming here. So, will all other avatars happened only then. Krishna Avatara is not like that. Every year we are celebrating with Jayanti. Sri Jayanti. But Krishna's Avatara Day is called Sri Jayanti. In every place in India, north, south, east, and whatever it is, even villages, what will happen? People will be celebrating Lord Krishna's birth. What will happen that the Lord go through all the streets here, and in every places, you find Krishna is taking what he likes. Which Krishna likes the most?
Butter.
Better, no, butter. Better. So everywhere people are offering him only better. Mixed with sugar. So in every village every house people are offering better. Understand? Still it is happening. In 2026 also it happens like that. That is the importance of Lord Krishna. And so he says, we appear. Then he says to Arjuna, Paritranaya sadhunam vinasaya dukkhatam dharma samsthapanarthaya sangagami yuge yuge.
He has written one book about Govinda itself.
Then
Recently.
there are among
collection.
the 12 Alvars, 2 are kings. Who is the first king? Kulisegara Alvar. And the last Alvar is called Tiruvangai Alvar. Tiruvangai Alvar is called Tiruvangai Mannan. In Tamil, Mannan means king. So Tiruvangai Alvar is also a king. And when he came to Chidambaram, Tiruvangai Alvar came with his wife. You know how he became Alvar? You may not know it. His wife
Made him.
His wife changed him. You don't do king's duty. You do what a devotee can do, a worshipper can do. That is why among the Alvars, Tiruvangai Alvar is the only Alvar who has gone to 84 temples all over India, starting from Himalayas, from Himalayas onwards. So understand it. And not only that, he also got his mantra Udesha straight from Lord himself. Straight from Lord himself. Why? Understand. See, he wanted to marry a lady who is a Vaishnavite. So when this king, Tiruvangai was a king, when he went to ask her, I want to marry you, I won't marry you. She said, why? I will marry only a Vaishnavite who is having symbols in the face. Then he went to a temple, got the blessings of the Lord, and came with Tiruvangappa and all that. Then she said, I won't accept it. By mere adding Tiruvangappa in the face, I won't accept it. Then what I have to do? Every day you have to feed 1,000 devotees, Vaishnava devotees. How many? 1,000 every day. For how many days? Whole year. Whole year you have to do it. Then what he did? He was doing it. But unfortunately, the time was very backward now. So he could not get money. So what he started? He wanted to steal everything from the devotees who are passing on the road. And using it for only feeding people. Then she accepted, I will marry you. Then he got her married. Immediately what he said was, I will take you first to Badrinath, where it is, in Himalayas. Himalayas is the only topmost mountain in India. He went there, started praying all gods. So from Badrinath to here, Rameshwaram, 84 temples that glorified, and the first in this area. Here, 40 places are very important. It is called Chola Nadu. The Chola means King Chola. So he was ruling 40 places. Iribadam Chola, 40 places. And that starts from Chidambaram itself. This is the final place, 40th place. Srirangam. Srirangam is the 40th, Chidambaram is the first. Understand it. Then he went with his wife and others from Badrinath to Srirangam people. Then on one of his birthday, he went to Srirangam Perumal for worship. Then Srirangam Lord Ranganath asked him, what do you want? What do you want? He said, I want to hear in your presence, in front of you, the devotional songs of Lord. Whom? Nammalvar. You know who is Nammalvar? He is the topmost among Alvars. And so, you have to recite Tiruvayimozhi in Srirangam temple. Then from Vaikuntha Ekadashi to 10 days. That happened, still is happening.
Next one.
In every place it is happening like that.
Yeah, that is correct.
And so, it was Tiruvangi Alvar, at the advice of his wife, Kumudval Nachiyar, started the Adhyam Utsavam, Vaikuntha Utsavam in his lifetime, still going on, not only in India, even in all other countries. Understand? So, Tiruvangi Alvar sung 6 stanzas, not 6 prabandhams. 6 prabandhams. And the topmost is what is called Tiruvayimozhi, containing 1084 stanzas. Whereas Nammalvar has sung 4 prabandhams, one of which is known as Tiruvayimozhi, containing 1102. Understand it? So, Tiruvangi Alvar and Nammalvar have sung more than 1000 stanzas in Tamil. The first stanza of Tiruvayimozhi is Uyarvara Uyarnalam Udayavan Yavanavan Mayarvara Madinalam Arulinam Yavanavan Ayadvarim Amarhal Adibadi Yavanavan Tuirari Sudaradi Toludaram Manane. That is the first stanza. What is the 1102nd stanza, final? Avavarachool Ariyai Ayanai Aranai Arati Avavatu Vidu Betra Kurhur Chadahovan Shanna Avavilandadi Hadal Ivayayiramum Udinda Avavilandadi Patarindar Pirandar Uyarnde. What is the place? One who knows or hears the psalm which is said, he will never get rebirth. Pirandar, we have the topmost verse, that is over. Then he will be in heaven, not in this world, ordinary world. That is the lesson we learn. That's one. The same way, when we come to Tiruvangi Alvar, what he says? He says, Andrayar Kulamahal Karayan Danai, Alaharai Kadangadaita Amman Danai, Kundrada Valiyakar Konai Mada, Kudinjilava, Sharanduran, the Kulangara in the Vendrani, Kundradita Tolinani, Irinari, Vindaharam Marin, Alan Mendanai, and Kudan the Kadandamalai, Medianai, and in Ayan, Niranditene. Every day I am remembering the Lord of Srirangam and Kumbhavanam. Why Kumbhavanam? Because when at the request of Kumudval Nachiyar, his wife, Lord Narayana came and gave him darshan. Then he asked, please tell me some good things. Immediately started. Vadinen Vadi Varundinen Manatal Piranduel Bail Pirandu Kudinen Kudi Ever Damodu Our Daram Kalavi Kari Odinen Odi Vivalor Burudal Unarvanam Pirimbadan Terindu Nadinen Nadinan Kandikondem Narayana Yanam Namam. What is the name you have to learn in life? First name is Narayana. So every day what you have to do is, you have to mention 3 things. Number 1 is Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya mention. Second is Om Namo Narayanaya not sufficient. Sivan Narayana Charanam Charanam Pravadye Simate Narayanaya Namaha. That is what is called Dvayam. 2 lines. Then comes the third. Comes the third. Third is what is the last? Charama Slokam. What is Charama Sloka? Charama means end. Finally, you have to remember the words of Lord Krishna, Lord Rama, and Varaha. What is Lord Krishna's? Sarvadharman Parityajya. Manasam Sakam Prasaya. Then what is the Charama of Lord Rama? Sakrideva Prapannaya. Tavasmiti cha yachate. Abhayam sarvabhutebhyo. Dadami etad vartham mama. Anyone who worships at any time, any one time will do. I will remember him and bless him. That is what Lord Rama says. Then the first Charama Sloka came from Lord Varaha. Lord Varaha, who said two words, not one, because it's a wonderful thing. Tite manasi suswaste, sharire sati yonaraha, dadu samme tite smarta, ishurupanta mamajam, tadastam riyamanantu, kata pashana sanniyam, aham smarami madbhaktim, nayami paravangati. Any person, any time, in his whole time, in his whole life, one time will do. Says, Lord Varaha, my prayers to you. He says that, what Lord says, I will remember him. At the end of his life, I will remember him and take him to heaven. Who says like that nowadays? Can you believe? So Varaha Perumal has said like this. If anyone in his lifetime is able to mention, I pray Lord Varaha. Which Varaha?
Yeah.
Lakshmi Varaha. Lakshmi Varaha. Then I will bless him at the end of his life. I will remember him and bless him. Can anywhere we can get like this? These promises, such promises from Lord Varaha, from Lord Rama and Lord Krishna. So we are so fortunate to be reiterate to know these things and recite every day. Understand it. Daily, what I am doing is, morning, after bath and other things, I am spending nearly 2.5 hours reciting all these things. The same way, in the evening, after Sandhya Vandanam, I am devoting 3 hours to say all these things. In the meanwhile, in the daytime, when I offer worship to Lord, see, I am having in my house 98 salgramas, not 1 or 2, and 86 emblems, idols. Daily I will do our puja, and she also daily does it. When she is cooking, starts cooking, what she will do? She will say all these things. She will not talk to anybody else. Reciting all these prayers. And first and foremost thing is, we have to mention, recite every day, the stotra of Lord Alavandar, which is known as Stotra Ratna. Among the all stotras, which is topmost, Alavandar Stotra. Namo Chintya Dutat Krishna Jnana Vairagya Rajaye Nathaya Munaye Agada Bhagavad Bhakti Sundare. That's my note, it goes on like that. So, Vaishnava is a fortunate one in this living world, understand. Only people who are born with, are blessed with the grace of Lord Narayana, not Narayana, who? Lord Lakshmi and Narayana, Lakshmi Narayana. Understand it? He will be living what life? Very happiest life.
அதில் கோவிந்தன் மீனிங் கேட்டாவா அதுதான் 2-3 இருக்குல்ல அதுதான் சொன்னேன் இந்த காமெடி அதுதான் கேட்குறான் மீனிங் கேட்டாங்க வரிசையாக.
So Govinda means, number one is Gam Vindayate iti Govindaha. You will get no more birth you will get no rebirth, you will get final living in Lord Paramamada. Understand it? That is one thing. Then, Gam Vindayati Govinda. Gam means arrows. One who will be using arrow for what? To protect his devotees. The Lord is having a lot of responsibilities. Every bhakta, every individual is praying to him. And what he has to do? He has to protect all people, including 1 year child. Then including people who live after 90 or 100 years, understand it. So, that is called Vindayati. Then, Vedyate iti Govindaha. One who knows everything. Vedyate means who knows everything. He is called Govinda. Fifth is Gam Vindayati Govindaha. That is a very good place. God will bless us to get his safeguard, divine safeguard. For that purpose, who is helping? Govinda. Lord Krishna alone helps all individuals in the world, all animals in the world, all birds in the world to get protected from divine persons. So, among other avatars, such thing does not happen. Lord Krishna alone does like that. Wherever you pray, Draupadi prayed him. What was the prayer? Lord Krishna, I don't know where you are. I am being tested by ruining my dress. Please help me. Shankachakar Gadapane, Dwaraka Nilaya, Achyuta, Govinda, Pundarikaksha, Rakshamam, Sharanagatam. Understand it? So, he does not request Rama or other persons, only Krishna. Understand it? And then, Vindati iti Govindaha. It's a wonderful thing. Even though all people are blessed with 2 eyes, those who are blessed by his blessings of Lord Krishna are having not 1 or 2 eyes, 1,000 eyes. Is it true? Yes. When you pray Lord, then you realize you are not having 1 or 2 eyes, 1,000 eyes. That is how you will appreciate the worship of Lord Krishna. So 1 or 2 eyes will not do. I want only 1,000 eyes at the same time to worship. Gaha Vindati iti Govindaha. People may ask, you are not giving the truth. All people are given only 2 eyes. Then Krishna says, even though I give you 2 eyes, you are able to see 1,000 things with these 2 eyes. So these 2 eyes, will act as 1,000 eyes when you worship Lord Krishna. So we are so fortunate to call the God as Govinda. Then, Gam Vindati iti Govindaha. Gam Vindati means one who is able to get his birth in this world, in this bhumi. In this world, he is alone fortunate. If you are living in heaven, you cannot enjoy this. That's all. So, we are so fortunate that we are able to have birth in this world, where our acharyas, the alvars, sages, everybody worship the Lord. And finally, Gam Veti iti Govindaha. Finally, very important thing. So when God created the world, what is the first thing he created? Human beings, animals, or which thing?
He's a teacher, he's asking
First
you.
he created water. The first thing he created was water. So Lord Krishna says, whenever you worship Lord, what you have to get from the temple? Keep on. Understand it? So God first created not human beings. First He created water. Which water? Sea water, river water, tank water. Drinking water. Drinking water.
Don't drink the seawater.
So, these are all the things we have to learn from Govinda. So, Govinda means Dasavataram Sevavam. So, Govinda means, yes, taken Dasavataram, 10 avatars to help people. Understand? So, Lord Rama, only one avatar. But Krishna is not like that. He is getting birth, rebirth. Why? To protect us. So, what we do is, we pray every day. Who is nearer to us? Lord Krishna. So, we are all followers of Krishna. Sarva dharman parityajya, mam ekam santa sarva bhaktivyo, mokshayisyami, mahasukha. Don't worry. That Krishna has said. So, you have to mention it. Then only Lord Krishna will remember, oh, we have given promise, I will keep it up. And among the 108 kshetras,
You have to go.
which have been glorified by Alvars.
You have to go. Like Kalambra.
Right. Sorry, I have bored sufficiently.
No, no.
So, among the 108 science glorified by Alvars,